Hi everyone, this is Madhusudan. Welcome to everyone to my class. Today we will discuss about what are the materials required for the preparation of concrete. Before that, first how the concrete is needed. For example, let us take this is a concrete work. Let it be 8 meters. It is 1 meter. It is 0.3 meters thickness. Suppose for a length of 8 meters and 1 meter width and 0.3 meters thickness of a concrete bed, how much quantity of cement is required, how much quantity of sand is required, how much quantity of aggregate, coarse aggregate is required. This is to be calculated. In my class today I will discuss about the calculation of the quantities of materials. Suppose if you take this one, what is the total quantity of concrete work? The total quantity of concrete work is equal to 8.0 length, 1.0 breadth and thickness 0.30. That is equal to 2.40 cubic meters of concrete. So the total quantity of wet concrete is 2.40 cubic meters. Suppose if the dimensions are changed, if it is a 10 meters, if it is a 1.5 meters, whatever the dimensions may be, according to that the quantity may be varied. So depending upon the quantities, first you should know what is the requirement of a concrete. What are the materials required for the preparation of concrete? Cement, sand and coarse aggregate. So here we have to calculate how much quantity of cement, how much quantity of sand and how much quantity of coarse aggregate is required for a 1 cubic meter of concrete preparation. That is to be calculated. If you calculate the materials for the 1 cubic meter, then we can easily find out the total quantity of the materials for 2.40 cubic meters. So in this class I will discuss about how to calculate the materials required for 1 cubic meter of cement concrete. But before that, you should know about what is the ratio of the concrete, what is the grade of the concrete. So now we are discussing about the material calculations for the 1 cubic meter of cement concrete. Suppose if you take the concrete grade, different types of grades are there. So let our proportion is 1:4:8. 1:4:8 means 1 part of cement, 4 part of fine aggregate, that is sand, and 8 parts of coarse aggregate, that is called aggregate stone. Suppose if you take the 1 cubic meter of CC with the proportion 1:4:8 concrete, the total quantity required quantity of wet concrete is 1.0 cubic meters. Our requirement is 1 cubic meter. So in this 1 cubic meter of cement concrete, it includes cement, sand and coarse aggregate along with water also. So this is named as wet concrete. To prepare 1 cubic meter of wet concrete, we have to need 1.55 cubic meters of dry volume of concrete. Dry volume of concrete means it is nothing but cement, sand and coarse aggregate only. So required quantity of wet concrete is 1 cubic meter. Required quantity of dry volume of concrete is 1.55 cubic meters. If you take 1.55 cubic meters of dry volume of concrete, if you add water to it, it comes to 1.0 cubic meter of wet concrete. So here the total dry volume of concrete is 1.55 cubic meters. In this 1.55 cubic meters, there is cement, sand and coarse aggregate. What is our proportion? Our CC proportion is 1:4:8. What are the total parts of the concrete? That is equal to 1 plus 4 plus 8. That is equal to 13 parts. So out of 13 parts, 1 part of cement, 4 parts of sand and 8 parts of coarse aggregate. So according to this, the total dry volume of concrete is 1.55 cubic meters. Out of 1.55 cubic meters, required quantity of cement is equal. What is the total volume of dry volume of concrete? 1.55. It is multiplied with 1 part of cement by total parts of concrete. That is equal to 1.55 into 1 by 13 is equal to 0.12 cubic meters of cement is required. Next, what about sand? If you want sand quantity, required quantity of sand is equal, what is the dry volume? 1.55 multiplied with 4 parts, so 4 by 13, that is equal, 4 by 13 means 48 cubic meters. It is 4 times the cement quantity, 0.48. Suppose if you want to find the required quantity of coarse aggregate, it is 1.55 into 8 parts of coarse aggregate by total parts, that is equal to 0.96 cubic meters. In such a way, we can find the total quantity of cement, sand and coarse aggregate. Now, what is the total quantities? So, finally we find the quantities of materials. Cement is 0.12 cubic meters, sand is 0.48 cubic meters, coarse aggregate is 0.96 cubic meters. Here one thing is to be observed. In actual practice in our market, the availability of cement is in bags, but here we obtain the value in cubic meters. So we have to convert this cubic meters into the bags. How it is done? Actually 1 cubic meter is equal to 1440 kgs of cement. Actually 1 cubic meter is equal 1440 kgs of cement, because cement density is 1440 kg per cubic meter. So 1 cubic meter of cement is equal to 1440 kgs. So how much quantity is here observed? 0.12 cubic meter. So it can be converted into kgs by simply multiplying with 1440. Then we can find the total quantity in kgs. It is 172.5 kgs. But each bag is 50 kgs. So we can easily convert it into bags by dividing it 172.5 kgs by 50. So 172.50 by 50 is equal to 3.5 bags of cement is required. Now the next one is sand requirement. Now what is the quantity of sand? 0.48 cubic meters. But in actual practice in our market, the sand is available in sometimes in cubic feet. So we have to change these cubic meters into the cubic feet. What is the conversion? 1 cubic meter is equal to 35.28 cubic feet. So we can multiply it with 35.28. That is equal to 16.93 CFT. If it is needed in cubic meters, 0.48 cubic meters. If it is needed in cubic feet, it is 16.93 CFT. In the same way, coarse aggregate is, what is the quantity? 0.96 cubic meters. So it is also multiplied with 35.28. Then we can find the value, that is 33.86 CFT. In such a way, we can find the total quantities of cement, sand and coarse aggregates in cubic meters and at the same times in field values. So according to this, calculate the quantities for whatever the required quantity. So for 1 cubic meters of concrete, we found cement 0.12 cubic meters, sand 0.48 cubic meters, coarse aggregate 0.96 cubic meters. Now according to our requirement, suppose our requirement of concrete is 2.40 cubic meters, then each material is multiplied with 2.4. If our requirement is 10 cubic meters of concrete, then it is multiplied with, each one is multiplied with 10. If our requirement is 25 cubic meters, then it is multiplied with 25. In such a way, we can find the total material required for the concrete of different quantities of concrete works. Thank you.